The transformation of Mansfield's new stadium is entering one of its most exciting phases yet. Over the past few weeks, crews have pushed major structural work forward, and now the project is starting to resemble a true game day venue. One of the most impressive milestones is the near completion of the massive Canopy structure. With its bold white framework stretching across the grandstand, the canopy is now fully assembled and fitted with fixture mounts. Along the canopy edge, FOP lighting brackets and housings are already in place, setting the stage for professional-level illumination across the field. On the ground level, attention has shifted toward preparing the field of play. Heavy machinery has been grading and compacting the surface, ensuring the perfect base layer before the installation of the new turf system. Meanwhile, stadium walls and interior structures continue to rise. The city of Mansfield is one step closer to hosting professional soccer games after construction workers. The $88 million, $7,500 seat stadium is one of many signs that the city is continuing to grow. The new multi-sport stadium, which leaders initially broke ground in December 2024, will be the home of the North Texas Soccer Club. North Texas SC plays in the Major League Soccer third-tier division, MLS Next Pro, and serves as a reserve and talent development team for the Frisco-based FC Dallas.